I don't think that there's any debate that the longer a golf course is closed, the better it will look and play come opening day. Welcome back to Fiddlesticks Golf Course Maintenance. We made some adjustments to our scheduling on our summer closures. Typically, in the past, golf course closures on the Loch and the Long have been 4 weeks each. 4 weeks is kind of a short period of time where we really got to push the greens, push the turf to hurry up and get everything healed in to open. That can result in not necessarily ideal conditions. With a longer closure, you can let the grass heal a little more naturally and not have to push it as hard, and since you'll get better green speeds in the summertime as well. After much discussion with the Green Committee and management, we have decided to keep the Loch Ness closed for 6 weeks, and going forward, go to more 6-week closures. The Loch Ness will reopen Monday afternoon, August 30th. At that point in time, the Long Mean will then shut down for a 6-week closure as well. Now with this 6-week closure, we were able to get a little more aggressive on the greens. So we actually double punched these greens. We went with a 5/8 tine, hit the greens really hard, picked up the cores, and 2 days later went right back out with a 1/2-inch tine to get some more aeration into those roots. Now the fairways in the rough also got a double aerification. We had the contractor come out with his Big Daddy machine. This is a very aggressive blade that sliced holes all throughout the rough and the fairways. What's great about this is the roughs have not really been addressed as far as some of the rock. This machine did a great job breaking up some of those bigger boulders. Remember, in the past, we've only done the actual fairways where we contracted out and removed a lot of that big rock material. So this machine did an excellent job of slicing some of that and helping decompact some of those areas due to cart traffic. Once that healed in a little bit, we followed through with the core aerifier that ran through. That machine doesn't really go as deep as we'd like, but something's better than nothing. With the 2 extra weeks that the Loch has had, we've done a little bit of turf reduction in certain areas that we're eventually going to add some landscaping, and we've done a lot of drainage work, particularly on 14 and 16. Everyone knows 16 is the wettest hole on probably both golf courses. By adding that drainage on 16 fairway, we hope that we can eliminate some of the wet conditions on that fairway. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time here at Golf Course Maintenance. Take care now. Bye.